One time I was doing the announcements and I was leaving. I
Yeah.
was walking and I was like doing the announcements and people would see me in the hallway. And this girl comes up to me and she's like, "You do the announcements, right?" And I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "Why do you sound like a gay?" And I swear I was like, okay. And anyway, like, so ever since then, I always had like this thing where like, all right, like I'm gonna avenge you, or like I'm gonna not avenge, but like I was kind of like looking for a way to get revenge on this bitch.
How are you gonna? How?
So I embarrassed her in front of the class at some point. We
No
had
way.
theater and it was a very large class. I don't want to say what I did, but it was
Do
ugly.
it.
No, 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 no. I made fun of her and it was not nice, but
Well,
that's
I mean,
a negative impact.
Come on,
I
please
made
tell
fun of her.
us.
I just like she used
We-
to make like this weird mannerism and I made fun of her and I think it was something that was not